Hey guys, your boy Corey here, Real Men Get It Done. We're gonna get into some beard hair care, trying some new products, and we're just gonna see how they work. Let's get into it. Real Men Get It Done. All right guys, so we are looking at the Cut Buddy, and had the chance to use this on my bald head, which I love. I think it felt really, really good, but I still want to use some more of the products and see what we're working with in terms of using this for my beard care. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my normal beard routine as I would anywho, and I think I will just play around with this Cut Buddy on the bottom of my beard, and then also checking out some of these products so I can give a before and after. So using my normal routine as it goes, and then I'll incorporate the Cut Buddy to see how it does on the base of my neck, and then also using these products. We're gonna be trying the Bald Buddy, y'all. So again, it is an ergonomic wet and dry shaver. Just from experience, I personally only like to do dry shaving, so I'm gonna do the dry shaving. Pretty cool that it has 75 minutes of cordless shaving. I may try it wet one of these days, but not for this video. The cool thing about this one is why we can incorporate also bald head care and also beard care is because it's good for the head, the body, the back, the legs, the arms, and it's supposed to be unisex, so girls and guys can use it. So let's get right into it. The product and some of the aftercare things we can utilize. All right, moment of truth. All right, oh man, it felt really good up underneath there, y'all. And one thing I didn't notice, it actually has the percentage of the battery. So it has that as well to let you know where you're at with your battery. So this is an area that definitely is sensitive for me, y'all, up under here. So I'm definitely gonna move forward with putting the Razor Bump Buddy treatment that they have. Look, sealed in there really well. Kind of pop the top. Oh, smells really good. Definitely gonna use this for. And I was able to use it on the sides too. I'm very hairy, so hair builds up here and here as well. And it felt really good, y'all, using it along with my beard care routine. So I'm loving it. I'm loving it this far, guys. Gonna do a after as well for my beard care. But I'm loving it, y'all. I love the aspect that they not only have the Cut Buddy for, you know, your shaving needs, but also the products they have afterwards, which is so important when you're thinking of the grand scheme of things and not wanting to get any irritation. So I love it, y'all. I'm gonna do my after tomorrow to show you guys where we're at, what we're working with. And yeah, so far so good with Cut Buddy. Using the Bump Buddy for up under here. And also, I mean, it's not gonna hurt, but just also have couple sprays of the post-shave treatment as well. But right now, everything feels really good. No bumps. I don't feel any burning sensation, which is huge for whether you're doing your neck area, you know, with your beard care or even your bald head care. So far so good. We'll give my updates tomorrow. Let's get it, y'all. Real Men Get It Done. All right, guys, it's day 2, and I'm actually coming fresh out the shower. My beard is still damp. And guys, what can I say about the Bald Buddy? Like, I'm not lying at all. I don't feel any irritation, any redness at all. It feels really good. The only one thing that I can say is that, of course, a tiny little stubble is very visible, not even visible, but it's there. So the way it cut, again, I feel confident that, again, I could use this every day, every other day to keep my head nice and close. So I could definitely go back over it again right now and confident that I won't have any irritation. But this is crazy, y'all. Like, seriously, like, I've had a lot of different bald head care items that I've used, wet or dry. I use this one dry, and it really did do its thing. So no irritation. So I speak that as a awesome example for the product, which I have cleaning right now. I love that it comes with this clean tray, so you can put it in so that you can actually clean it. So I had this in there as well, so the dirty hair and stuff can be cleaned off. I have to attribute it to the actual machine, of course, and then to the products. These products are pretty dope, y'all. Having a post-shave treatment, and then also having the razor bump treatment. So I use the post-shave treatment on the top of my head, and I'm gonna actually put some on right now because I'm gonna head out just to make sure that we're all good for the day. Feels really good. It's kind of light, not anything too heavy, doesn't sting at all. And then actually going to use the razor bump cream for the bottom of my neck. But again, no burning, no irritation. I was able to use the Cut Buddy all up under here and no tingling or burning sensation at all. So I'm liking it. I'm feeling it thus far. Of course, this is my opinion and my opinion alone, but if you think you want to try it, definitely connect with my links below so that you can get some discounts on the products and be able to use them so you can see yourself that this is a new game changer on the market. So I love it. All right, I'm headed out, y'all. So till next time, peace and blessings. Real men get it done.